we'll guide you through how to save a document as a PDF in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs and navigate to the document you want to save as a PDF. Once your document is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. A drop-down menu will appear, and you need to hover your cursor over the Download option. This will open a side menu with several file format options. Choose PDF Document, PDF, from this list. Google Docs will automatically start downloading your document in PDF format to your default download location, which is usually the Downloads folder on your computer. If you're using a browser like Chrome or Firefox, you might see the download appear at the bottom of the window, and you can click on it to open the PDF directly. If you want to save it somewhere specific, you can open your Downloads folder, find the PDF file, and then move it to your desired location on your computer by dragging and dropping. This method ensures that all your formatting, images, and text are preserved exactly as they appear in your Google Doc. Remember, saving as a PDF is a great way to share documents because PDFs maintain their formatting across different devices and platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.